how to attach Google Drive file to email. So let's welcome back to this quick tutorial video where I show you that how you can attach the Google Drive files or pictures to your email. So let's get started. So on the first, you will have to open your Gmail on your device. So you have to open the Gmail. Okay, so now from here you will have to move with the option compose, like it will appear in the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it. And from here you will have to give that email address whom you want to send email. So in the to section I will give this email address. Okay, now on the subject photo. Okay, mail can be nothing. Okay, so after this process you will have to click on this attach option just at the top right corner of the screen. It's just beside the send option, so simply click on this attachment option, and from here you'll got the option insert from drive. So simply you have to go with the option. Okay, so from here you can select the pictures or files that are in your drive. So simply choose any pictures, file or photos from here. So I'm selecting this. Okay. Okay, so like you can see, I have attached the files from my Google Drive to this email. So likewise, you can also attach the Google Drive file to your email. So if this video was helpful to you, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon over there for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.